Hi, I'm Jen. You will normally find me behind the camera working with customers, but I'm in front today to be sure that you have the information that you need to get started. Customers come to Liberty House Plans for the architecture. We publish these designs as stock plans. Stock plans are formatted so that they can be built in many different spots. They're not specific to a particular place. Architects can offer stock plans economically because most of the work was already done for a client. The way you get your hands on stock plans is by purchasing a license to build them. The license gives you access to construction drawings. You take those drawings and have a local professional, such as a contractor or an architect, adjust the drawings to suit your building site, your climate, and any regulations that are specific to your place. The local calibration is the finishing touch that makes the construction drawings work for you. If you'd like to learn more, get in touch. We're happy to answer your questions, and we look forward to helping you make your project real.